Hello, happy students. Today our topic is computer network, and this is computer network part 9. And in this lecture, we are going to solve some numerical based on computer network. So there are some numericals based on computer network. First, let us take it one by one. We already solved some numerical in our previous lecture. So now you have some good idea about how to solve these types of numerical here. First numerical says that which is numerical number 72 of your book, and 76 and there is a university in India, and it starts campus in a small town Parampur of central India with its center admission office in Delhi. The university has three major buildings, comprising of admin building, academic building and research building in 5 km area campus. As a network expert, you need to suggest the network plan as per 1 to 4 to the authorities, keeping in mind the distance and other giving parameters. So there is a question again regarding to a networking. So you have to solve this question. This is a diagram. We can see that a diagram. There is a Delhi admission office and university campus. We can see that there are three buildings in it: academic building, research building and admin building. There are three buildings in it. So first question is asked related to this is, first of all, the distance is given. Expected wired distance between various locations. Research building to the admin building distance is 90 meter. Research building to the academic building distance is 80 meter. Academic building to admin building the distance is 15 meter. And Delhi admission office to Parampur campus is 1450 kilometers. Very high. So this is the distance between, these are the distance between various buildings. And next is expected number of computers to be installed at various locations in the university are as follows. Research building there are 3 computers, academic building there are 150 computers, admin building there are 35 computers, and Delhi admission office there are 5 computers only. First question, suggest the authorities the cable layout among various buildings inside the university campus for connecting the building. Suggest the authorities a cable layout among the various buildings. First of all, connect all the buildings to each other as the distance given, and minimize the distance, and minimize the cable length. Minimize the cable length when you try to connect all these buildings. This is the answer. This is academic building, and this is research building, and this is admin building. All these are connected to each other, but here we can easily see that research building and admin building are not connected to each other. And why it is so, let us check it. It is the answer, final answer. When you want to, if you solve it already, then you are able to give the answer of this. And the building, academic building and admin building, there is a distance between research building and admin building. Research building and admin building. So research building and admin building distance is 90 meter, and it is quite high. It is quite high, and this is 80 and 50 meter. That is about 95 meter. About 95 meters. So not try to connect these two buildings directly, because this is 90 and this is 95. Indirectly 95. So to connect research building and admin building using a cable of 90 meter is waste. So just connect indirectly. It means whenever you want to send data from admin building to research building, or from research building to admin building, it is through academic building. So this is the cable layout. Next question is regarding to this question, and question says that suggest the most suitable place in the building to house the server of the organization with the suitable reason. So to find out a server, room, first of all, let us check number of computers within each building. We can easily see that research building contain 20, academic building contain 150, admin building contain 35, and Delhi admission office contain 5. So most of the computers are in academic building, and we place a server where there are maximum number of computers. In this case, academic building contain maximum number of computer, so we use academic building. Uh, so here's the answer. The most suitable place to house the server is academic building, as it is a maximum number of computer. Thus, it decreases the cable cost. And why we use a building which have maximum number of computer? Because it decreases the cable cost and increase efficiency of the network, because most of the computer are directly connected through server. So it increases the efficiency and also decreases the cable length. Next is suggest the efficient device for the following to be installed in each of the building to connect all the computers. If you want to connect all these computers in the building, there are three devices given here: gateway, modem, and switch. So now I think there is no confusion at all. Switch is to be installed in each of the building to connect all the computer. We use switch to connect all these computers, because modem is basically used for modulation and demodulation, and it is not used to connect two buildings. And also gateway is used to connect different parts of network, so gateway is also not used. This is question number 76 here. Next, part number 4. Suggest the most suitable at very high speed service to the provide data connectivity between admin building located in Delhi and the campus located in Parampur from the following options. And we are the options. To check the option first, to check the options, let us check the distance between these two, and the distance is around 1450 kilometers. Now let us check the different options. First is telephone lines. It is useless, it is not used. And fixed line dial-up connection, coaxial cable network, GSM, beast line, satellite connection. Satellite connection is there. Satellite connection is the best option to connect it up. You can connect these two because the distance is 1450 kilometers. Let us check what is the answer. Yes, satellite connection is the answer, because it takes too much cable length. So this is the answer of question number 76. Now I hope you are able to understand how to solve these questions. Basically, question contain 4 parts. First part belongs to the server, and second related to cable layout, third related to network device, and fourth related to transmission medium. So to solve this type of numerical problems, first of all, just revise different types of networking device, different types of transmission media. As far as cable layout and service concerned, it is, I think, very simple, and it works. And as far as cable layout is concerned, you will try to reduce the cable length. That is a concept. So question number 77 here. 77 says that Institute of Distance Learning is located in Pune and planning to go is for networking of 4 wings for a better interaction. The details are as shown below. So these are the 4 wings, and the distance is also given between different various wings, and number of computers are also given. And first question belongs to this is suggest the type of networking LAN MAN WAN for connecting live wing to admin wing. Justify your answer. Live wing to admin wing. Okay, admin wing to library. I think this is the distance. Admin wing to library wing. Library wing to admission wing. Yes, library wing to admission wing or admin wing to library wing. Both are the meaning are the same. Distance is only 125 meter, and you have to connect all these. 125 meter. As we know that LAN is used for local area network, MAN is used for metropolitan area network, and WAN is used for wide area network. LAN is basically used within a building, within a campus, within a university, within a college, of distance up to 10 kilometers, MAN up to 100 kilometers, and of more than 100 you can use WAN. So in this case it is quite clear that we will use LAN because all these computers connected within a single campus and the distance is too much low, around 125. So LAN is the final answer. Let us check LAN is the answer or not. Since the distance between library and admission wing is the smallest type of the network is small, answer is LAN. Next is suggest the most suitable place being to house the server with a suitable reason. This is question is quite similar to the previous one, and we can in this question basically we have to check only the maximum number of computers, and maximum number of computer is in student wing, and they are 120 225. The 225 computers are in student wings, so we make student wing as a server room. That is the answer. Since maximum number of computers are in student wing, so suitable place to house the server is student wing. And third is suggest the placement of the following devices with the reason repeater and switch. Now till now you are very familiar with the concept of repeater and switch. In most of the question, whenever there is a talk about how to connect different computers within a single building, we use switch device, and whenever you want to uh, you want to regenerate the data or strengthen the data, just use repeater. So in this question it is asked that suggest the placement of the following device with reason switch. So repeater should be installed between student wing and the admission wing as the distance is more than 60 meter. So switch should be installed in each wing to connect several computers. So whenever the distance is high, we use a repeater to extend the signal or to regenerate the signal. And within a building or within a campus we use switch. So switch is basically used in each and every building, and whenever we want to connect all these buildings, and we want that signal will not fail, or data will pass exactly as it is without any data loss, so repeater will be used. And distance is 60 meters, so we can use repeater here. Next question is the institute is planning to link its study center situated in Delhi. Suggest the economic way to connect it with reasonably high speed. Justify your answer. Now here it is already given that economic way, so we can use satellite connection because it is not very much economic. So just use in this case broadband connection. Broadband connection that is between economic and speedy. So broadband connection is economical and speedy, so we use broadband connection. These are the four parts regarding to this. Now I think these all are very much clear to all of you. Let us check another example. Example question number 78 here. It says that Wise Methodologies is planning to expand their network in India, starting with 3 cities in India to build infrastructure for research and development of their chemical products. The company has planned to set up their main office in Pondicherry at 3 different locations and have named their offices at Back Office, Research Lab, and Development Lab. The company has one more research office, namely Corporate Office in Mumbai. A rough layout of the same is as follow. So rough layout is given already. This is rough layout. This is the office in Pondicherry, Research Lab, Back Office, Development, and this is our main office, corporate unit situated in Mumbai. So this is the part first of the question. Next is approximate distance between these offices already given. Research lab and back office distance is 110 meters. research lab and development unit 16 meters, research lab and corporate unit 1800 kilometers, and back office to development unit 13 kilometer. Remember that 13 kilometer, not meter. Here, distance between back office and development unit is around 13 kilometer. And next part is in continuation of the above, the company experts have planned to install the following number of computers in each of the office: research lab 158 computers, back office 79 computers, development unit 90 computers, and corporate unit 51 computers. And these are the questions asked related to this problem. You can easily see that maximum number of computers are in research lab. So if question is asked related to a server room, answer is no doubt research lab. Let us check it. Suggest the type of the network required for the LAN WAN for connectivity each of the following office unit: research lab and back office, research lab and development unit. So here question is directly not related to server room and related to LAN WAN. LAN is basically used for local area network, and local area network we connect to computers using local area network within 10 kilometers of range, and more than 10 to 100, I think man is correct one, and more than 100 WAN will be used. So what is the distance between such a type of network required for the LAN WAN for connecting each of the following office unit, each of the following? So we want to connect all these four units, so when distance is minimum, just we use LAN, and when distance is much more higher, then we use MAN. Up to 100 we use MAN. So here we can easily see that 1018 kilometers and 13 kilometers, 16 kilometers. LAN is used up to 10 kilometers, and distance is 16 kilometers and 13 kilometers. Research lab and back office lab. So you can easily see that LAN is used here, and when distance is more than 10 kilometers, you can use MAN, metropolitan area network. Actually here we use MAN to connect its office, main office situated in Mumbai, to Pondicherry. And why it is so? Because metropolitan area network is basically used to connect two metropolitan cities, and distance is around 100 kilometers. So we use MAN, and in all cases we can use LAN because distance is around 10 kilometers. So LAN will be used in this case within 10 hour. Actually we can use up to 20 or sometimes up to 25 kilometers we can use LAN, and more than this we can use MAN, metropolitan area network. Of course there is no chance of WAN here, so it is very much clear that within a city we use LAN, and when we want to connect two cities we use MAN, and when we want to connect two countries especially, then we can use WAN here. So LAN to connect all the buildings within a same city, distance is around 10 kilometers or more than some 10 kilometers, so we can easily use LAN here. And to connect two cities Pondicherry and Mumbai, we can use MAN here. Next is a switch of the following device you will be suggest for connecting uh, all the computer with each of the office units: switch, hub, modem, and telephone. Switch connecting all the computer with each of the office units: switch, hub, modem, and telephones. So obviously within the office, if we want to connect all these computers, we can use switch or hub. Basic difference between switch and hub is that switch is an intelligent device and hub is non-intelligent device. So we always prefer switch over hub. If there is a distinction between given, if there is a choice given between switch and hub, we always prefer switch. But here switch and hub both are given at the same uh, place, switch dash hub, so we can use switch and hub. One thing should be remembered that when we say that up to 10 kilometer LAN is a range of LAN, it is not a fixed value. Why we say that? Because local area network is a definition which is used for the terminology when we want to connect different computers within a building, within a university, within a campus, within a city even. So for small distances, most appropriate use of this is up to 10 kilometers. But if the distance is given much more higher or little bit higher than that of the 10 kilometer, you can also easily use a local area network. And similarly, metropolitan area network term is used to connect two different metropolitan cities. In this case, Pondicherry and Mumbai both are given, and the distance is quite much more higher as compared to the distance given within a city. So that's why we use man here. And when we want to connect two countries, two big countries, you can use WAN wide area networks. And when distance is given in basically in thousands of kilometers, so you can use WAN wide area networks. As far as second part is concerned, if you want to connect all the computers within a same building, you can use switch or hub device. So in different questions, this question is repeatedly asked. So within a computer, you can within a building, you can use switch or hub to connect all the computers. So let us talk about the third part. Which of the following communications media will you suggest to be procured by the company for the connecting the local area units in the Pondicherry for very effectively high-speed communication? Telephone cables, optical fiber, and Ethernet cable for very effective. So as you know that as far as transmission media are concerned, especially guided media is concerned, speed of optical fiber cable is much more higher than that of the others. Optical fiber cable is speed of optical fiber is higher than Ethernet cable, and Ethernet cable is higher than telephone cables. So as far as speed is concerned, optical fiber cable is the best options. So let us check. Yes, optical fiber is the answer. Next, suggest a cable wiring layout for the connecting the company local area office unit located in the Pondicherry. Also suggests an effective media telephone for connecting the company's office unit located in Mumbai. So this is how different parts are connected to each other. How different parts are connected to each other. First of all, to make this diagram, draw different blocks and draw different line segment connected to these blocks, and after that reduce the distance by eliminating the duplication. Where for example, if there is a path from research lab to the development unit and a research lab to the bank office, suppose it is of all about 100 meters, and to connect bank office to development unit, it is about 110 meters. Then to connect bank office to development unit, even it is if it is 90 meter or 80 meter, it is unnecessary uh, because we waste 90 meters, and these are indirectly connected to each other also. So try to connect all these blocks directly or indirectly to each other, and try to reduce the cable length. And an effective method technology for connecting the company's office unit located in Mumbai, and dial-up or broadband. So we use dial-up connection or broadband connection to connect all these devices, all the buildings. Next question, last question, question number 79. China Meltdown Fashion is planning to expand their network in India, starting with two cities in India, provide infrastructure for distribution of their product. The company has planned to set up their main office units in Chennai at the different locations and have named their office as production unit. Finance, and that is a diagram given here. Unit and media unit. The company has two corporate unit in Delhi. A rough layout of the same is as follows: India corporate unit, and Chennai production unit, finance unit, and media unit. And also the approximate distance between these unit is also given here, and we can easily see that from production unit to finance unit distance 70 meter, production unit to media unit distance is 15 kilometer is here. So it is large. Production unit and corporate unit distance 2000 112 kilometers, and finance unit to media unit it is 15 kilometer. And the fourth part of this question says that in continuation of the above, the company experts had to plan to install the following number of computers in each of the following units: production unit 150, finance unit 35, media unit 10, and corporate unit 30. Now the question regarding to this is suggest the kind of the network required out of LAN man to connect each of the following office units. Same as that of the previous one: production unit and the media unit, production unit and the finance unit. So let us do it first. Production unit and media unit. Let us check the distance between production unit and media unit. Production unit and media unit. Media unit. This means this distance. And what is the distance between production unit and media unit? Production unit and media unit distance is up to 15 kilometers. So you use LAN without any doubt. Production unit and the finance unit. Production unit and the finance unit. Distance is up to 70 meters. So of course, LAN is again used. So let us check what is the answer. MAN and LAN. Production unit and media unit. Now here the distance is up to 15 kilometers and distance is up to 70 kilometers, and production unit and media unit both lies within the same city, Chennai, and Chennai is a metropolitan city, so you can use LAN because distance is 15 meter. But as I told you that LAN is up to 10 kilometers, so 10 kilometers we use LAN here. And here there are two questions, and distance vary from 70 meter to 15 kilometer. So you can write MAN to connect media unit and production unit, media unit and production unit. If you write LAN, it is also correct, but MAN is more correct as compared to the LAN, because you have to connect 15 meter to up to 70 meter to up to 15 kilometers. Next question is which one of the following device will you suggest for connecting all the computers with each of the? So obviously switch and hub is used, because to connect all of the devices within a office we use switch or hub. Switch or hub is the answer. Next is question number 3: which of the following communication media will be you suggest to be produced by the company for connecting the local office units in Chennai for every effective high-speed communication? High-speed communication, I think optical fiber cable is the best, so optical fiber cable is the answer. Let us check it. Yes, optical fiber cable is the answer. And suggest a cable wiring layout of the connecting the company's local office units located in Chennai. Also suggest an effective method technology for connecting the company's office unit located in Delhi. And this is how different parts are connected to each other. You can easily see that within this building we can use LAN, and outside the building we can use MAN here. Now in these types of questions, it is our last questions regarding to the computer network as far as numerical problems are concerned. One thing should be remember: whenever you want to ask a cable layout connection, then then first of all connect all the buildings to each other and try to reduce the cables and eliminate the cable which have high values, and to connect different buildings using minimum amount of cables. And second thing, keep in mind, always try to connect all the buildings using that building which contains server or have a server room. And why I told you here that to connect a server room directly, because to increase the efficiency or speed. So if there is a difference of 10 meter or 20 meter when you connect indirectly and when you connect directly to the server um, building which contains server. Then the second option is much more useful as that of the previous one, means indirect connection. And second thing is that is in this type of question, there in some questions there is no exact answer when distance is cable layout is not much very effective to each, not but very vary. So in this case it is possible that question have two answer. So just write it, draw the diagram and write the reason why you pick this cable layout network. So it will give you a full marks. Second thing, whenever there is a question regarding to LAN man WAN, so always remember it, or keep one thing in your mind, that up to 10 kilometer LAN, we use LAN. In most of the cases up to 11 or 12 we can also write LAN, but for 10 kilometer without any hesitation you can write LAN is the answer. And from 10 to 100 kilometer you can write MAN, and from 100 to 100 onwards you can use metropolitan area networks. So answer will be vary if the value lies just like between 10 to 20 kilometers, 10 to 20 kilometers. So you can see that in two questions man is the answer, in second question LAN is the answer. So both answers are correct. And third important thing is using networking devices. So so in so many questions this type of this type of problem is asked, that within a computer, within a building, within a particular building, how can you connect different types of computers. So to connect different computers within a same building we can use hub or switch. And why we use hub or switch? Because hub or switch both works as working of both are almost the same, but the only difference is that hub basically broadcasts the data, but switch send the data on the basis of MAC address. So if you want to choose among if you want to choose between hub and switch, switch is the correct answer. But most of the time hub and switch are given at a single place. So this is all about the numerical problem. This is our last numerical regarding to the computer network. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.